Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am right across the street from the Sunset Oceanfront Lodging Hotel in Bandon, Oregon. And if you come to this hotel, this is what you will see. Beautiful view of the ocean. You can walk right down to the beach. Winter rates are $117 a night. Summer, $127 a night. This is an absolutely wonderful hotel in Oregon. It's about an hour and 45 minutes from Brookings, Oregon, where I live. And getting to this hotel, you take 101 along the coast the whole way. I can't think of a more beautiful drive anywhere in the USA.